Level 1, Book 1. Greetings. Chapter 1. The title of our lesson is Nice to Meet You. This is Marie. Welcome to my class. At the end of this lesson, we will be able to learn some simple greetings for us to say one greeting every day and be able to greet mom, dad, teacher, a friend, or a colleague once a day. Let's have a review. In the last video, we learned these words: hi, hello, my, your, name, what. Can you still remember them? Now, we are going to learn these words: am, nice, meet, you, we. Let's begin. Let's have the word am. 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 This is how we pronounce am. It is used with the word I to make it simple, okay? It's a be verb. For example, I am Jessica. Let's practice. Am. I am. I am Marie. All right? Or you can say, I am John, if your name is John. I am Bill, if your name is Bill. Now, let's remember that word. I blank Marie. What is the answer? Am. I am Marie. Okay. The next word is nice. 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 This is how we pronounce the word nice. It means attractive, enjoyable, or pleasant. For example, it is nice to meet you. Look at them. They are smiling. They are happy. Let's practice. Nice. It is nice. It is nice to meet you. In this sentence, nice means enjoyable or pleasant. It means that they enjoy meeting each other. Okay? Next. Let's remember that word. It is blank to meet you. What is the answer? Nice. It is nice to meet you. In this picture, this girl is happy because it is a nice day today. In this sentence, nice means pleasant or enjoyable. Okay? Let's practice. Nice. Nice day. It is a nice day today. Next. Let's try to remember that word. It is a blank day today. What is the answer? Nice. It is a nice day today. Now let's have the word meet. Meet. This is how we pronounce the word meet. It means to see and know someone for the first time. Take note, for the first time. For example, it is nice to meet you. In this picture, there is a boy and a girl. They are happy to meet each other for the first time. Now, let's practice. Meet. Meet you. It is nice to meet you. Let's remember that word. It is nice to blank you. What is the answer? Meet. It is nice to meet you. Next, you. 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 This is how we pronounce you. It means the person or people that you are talking to. Let's have the same sentence. It is nice to meet you. In this picture, the boy is pointing at you. Yes, you. It is nice to meet you. You. Meet you. It is nice to meet you. Let's remember that word. It is nice to meet blank. What is the answer? You. It is nice to meet you. Okay, let's have another example. This boy is pointing at you, saying that you are beautiful. Yes, you. You are. You are beautiful. Are you beautiful? Yes, I am beautiful. Okay, let's remember that word. Blank are beautiful. What is the answer? You. You are beautiful. And the last word is we. 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 This is how we pronounce we. It means the person speaking and one or more others. Okay, let's have an example. We are happy. In this picture, we can see I. Okay, this picture represents I. You. Okay, these pictures represent you. And this is we, okay? It's not only the person speaking, but also one or more others. Let's practice. We are. We are happy. Are you happy? Yes, I am happy. Let's remember that word. Blank are happy. Oh, I can see the answer in this picture. So, the answer is we. We are happy. Okay, and that ends our lesson. In the next video, we are going to learn these words. Same, class, classmate. Yes, great. So, keep on watching and keep on practicing. because watching more videos can help you learn more effectively. Don't forget to say one greeting every day. And don't forget to greet mom, dad, teacher, a friend, or a colleague once a day. Remember, practice makes perfect. Again, this is Marie. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!